Welcome to Healthy Care, where every step you take brings you closer to a healthier, happier life. Here's a thought. What if your diet could be your secret weapon against one of the most feared illnesses, cancer? It's true. Scientists have found that what you eat can play a powerful role in preventing and even fighting this life-altering disease. In today's video, we're uncovering 8 extraordinary white foods that go beyond ordinary nutrition. These foods are packed with compounds that can combat inflammation, boost your immune system, and even protect your body from the cellular damage that can lead to cancer. Think about it. Every meal you eat is a choice, a chance to safeguard your health and the health of those you love. These 8 foods aren't just delicious, they're life-changing. If you've ever felt the weight of fear when it comes to cancer, this video is for you. Together we'll dive deep into the science, the benefits, and the simple ways you can include these superfoods in your daily life. Let's take control of your health and build a future free of fear, one bite at a time. Ready? Let's get started. 1. Yogurt. This probiotic-rich food is a fantastic addition to your diet for numerous reasons, particularly for its support of gut health, which is closely linked to nerve health. Yogurt is packed with beneficial bacteria or probiotics that help maintain a healthy gut microbiome. A balanced gut microbiome is essential for overall health and has a significant impact on the nervous system. One of the key nutrients found in yogurt is vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is crucial for nerve repair and maintenance, as it aids in the production of myelin, the protective sheath that surrounds nerve fibers. Myelin ensures that nerve signals are transmitted efficiently between the brain, spinal cord, and the rest of the body. Adequate levels of vitamin B12 help maintain the integrity of the myelin sheath, preventing nerve damage and supporting the repair of damaged nerves. Yogurt also provides other B vitamins such as riboflavin, B2, and pantothenic acid, B5, which are essential for energy metabolism and the proper functioning of the nervous system. Riboflavin helps convert food into energy and supports the health of the skin, eyes, and nervous system. Russell-flavin browns improves frostbite. Pantothenic acid plays a role in the synthesis of coenzyme A, which is involved in fatty acid metabolism and the production of neurotransmitters. Yogurt is also rich in calcium, which is important for maintaining strong bones and teeth, as well as supporting muscle function and nerve transmission. The probiotics in yogurt contribute to a healthy digestive system by promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria and inhibiting the growth of harmful bacteria. A healthy gut can help reduce inflammation and support the immune system, both of which are important for overall nerve health. 2. Bananas. While the peel is bright yellow, the flesh of bananas is white and loaded with essential nutrients that are crucial for maintaining nerve health. Bananas are particularly rich in vitamin B6 and magnesium, both of which play significant roles in supporting the nervous system. Vitamin B6, also known as pyridoxine, is vital for the production of neurotransmitters, which are the chemical messengers that transmit signals between nerve cells. Neurotransmitters such as serotonin, dopamine, and gamma-aminobutyric acid, GABA, are essential for regulating mood, sleep, and cognitive functions. By aiding in the synthesis of these neurotransmitters, vitamin B6 helps ensure that nerve cells can communicate effectively, promoting overall mental and emotional well-being. Magnesium, another key nutrient found in bananas, is essential for numerous biochemical processes in the body, including those that support nerve function and repair. C. Brussels sprouts. Magnesium helps regulate the electrical activity of nerve cells, ensuring that nerve impulses are transmitted smoothly and accurately. It also plays a critical role in muscle function, helping to prevent muscle cramps and spasms that can result from nerve dysfunction. Additionally, magnesium supports the repair and regeneration of nerve tissues, making it crucial for maintaining a healthy nervous system. Bananas are also a good source of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and helps maintain stable blood sugar levels. This is important because stable blood sugar levels can prevent nerve damage caused by conditions like diabetes. Furthermore, bananas contain antioxidants such as dopamine and vitamin C, which help protect nerve cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. 3. Parsnips. These root vegetables are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that are essential for maintaining proper nerve function and overall health. Parsnips are high in potassium, a vital mineral that plays a crucial role in the nervous system. One study published in the Journal of the American Medical Association found that diets rich in potassium can significantly reduce the risk of stroke and other cardiovascular diseases. Potassium is essential for the proper functioning of nerve cells. It helps regulate nerve signals and muscle contractions by maintaining the correct balance of electrolytes within and around nerve cells. This balance is necessary for the transmission of electrical impulses, which are the basis of nerve communication. Adequate potassium levels ensure that nerve signals are transmitted smoothly and efficiently, supporting overall nerve health and preventing issues such as muscle cramps, spasms, and neurological disturbances. In addition to potassium, parsnips are a good source of dietary fiber. Fiber is important for digestive health, as it adds bulk to the stool and promotes regular bowel movements, preventing constipation. A healthy digestive system is closely linked to overall health and can indirectly support nerve function by ensuring that the body effectively absorbs and utilizes essential nutrients. Parsnips also contain vitamins and antioxidants that contribute to overall health. They are a good source of vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect cells, including nerve cells, from oxidative stress and damage. Vitamin C also supports the immune system and aids in the synthesis of collagen, which is important for the repair and maintenance of tissues. Parsnips can be roasted to bring out their natural sweetness and nutty flavor. Mashed as a delicious alternative to potatoes or added to soups and stews for extra nutrition and texture. They can also be sliced thin and baked into chips for a healthy snack. 4. Onions. These versatile and flavorful vegetables are a staple in many cuisines around the world and are packed with nutrients that support nerve health. Onions are particularly rich in sulfur compounds, which play a significant role in promoting the production of antioxidants and supporting nerve repair. Sulfur compounds in onions, such as allicin, quercetin, and other sulfur game-changing amino acids, are known for their powerful antioxidant properties. These compounds help protect nerve cells from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. One study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that the sulfur compounds in onions have significant neuroprotective effects. Oxidative stress is a major contributor to nerve damage and can lead to various neurodegenerative conditions. By neutralizing free radicals, the antioxidants in onions help maintain the health and function of nerve cells. Beyond their antioxidant properties, sulfur compounds in onions also contribute to the repair of damaged nerves by enhancing collagen production. Collagen is a crucial protein that provides structural support to tissues, including nerves. It plays a vital role in the regeneration and repair of nerve tissues, helping to restore normal function after injury or damage. By promoting collagen synthesis, onions help support the body's natural healing processes and aid in nerve regeneration. Onions are also a good source of vitamins and minerals that contribute to overall nerve health. They contain vitamin C, which supports the immune system and enhances collagen production, and B vitamins, which are essential for energy metabolism and the proper functioning of the nervous system. 5. Mushrooms. These versatile fungi are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that support nerve health. Mushrooms are particularly rich in B vitamins, especially vitamin B12, which plays a crucial role in maintaining and repairing the nervous system. Vitamin B12 is essential for the production of myelin, the protective sheath that surrounds nerve fibers. Myelin acts as an insulator, ensuring that nerve signals are transmitted quickly and efficiently between the brain, spinal cord, and the rest of the body. Without adequate myelin, nerve signals can become slow and erratic, leading to symptoms such as numbness, tingling, and muscle weakness. By supporting myelin production, vitamin B12 helps maintain the integrity of the nervous system and aids in the repair of damaged nerves. Mushrooms also provide other important B vitamins such as riboflavin, B2, and niacin, B3. Riboflavin plays a role in energy production and cellular function, while niacin supports DNA repair and the function of enzymes that are critical for nerve health. Mushrooms also contain antioxidants like ergothioneine and glutathione, which help protect nerve cells from oxidative stress and damage. These antioxidants neutralize harmful free radicals that can damage nerve cells and contribute to neurodegenerative diseases. By reducing oxidative stress, mushrooms help protect and preserve nerve function. You can add mushrooms to stir-fries for a savory boost, include them in omelets for a hearty breakfast, or mix them into pasta dishes for added texture and nutrition. Mushrooms can also be grilled, roasted, or used as a meat substitute in vegetarian and vegan recipes. 6. Cauliflower. This versatile vegetable is not only a staple in many healthy diets, but also a powerhouse of essential nutrients that support nerve health. One of the standout nutrients in cauliflower is choline, a vital compound that plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy nerve function. Choline is an essential nutrient that supports the production of neurotransmitters, which are the chemical messengers that transmit signals between nerve cells. These neurotransmitters are crucial for various bodily functions, including muscle movement, mood regulation, and memory. By ensuring adequate choline intake, cauliflower helps support efficient nerve signal transmission, which is essential for proper nerve function and overall nervous system health. One study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition highlighted the importance of choline in maintaining cognitive function and preventing neurodegenerative diseases. This study underscores the significance of including choline-rich foods like cauliflower in your diet to support long-term nerve health. In addition to supporting neurotransmitter production, choline also helps maintain the structure of cell membranes. Cell membranes are composed of phospholipids, which rely on choline for their formation and maintenance. Healthy cell membranes are vital for protecting nerve cells and ensuring they function correctly. By supporting the integrity of these membranes, choline helps protect nerve cells from damage and supports their ability to communicate effectively. Cauliflower is also rich in other essential nutrients such as vitamins C and K and various antioxidants. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect nerve cells from oxidative stress. 6. And inflammation. While vitamin K supports bone health and plays a role in blood clotting, the antioxidants in cauliflower help neutralize free radicals, reducing oxidative damage and supporting overall cellular health. 7. White beans. These nutritious legumes are a fantastic addition to any diet, offering numerous health benefits, particularly for nerve function and repair. White beans are an excellent source of magnesium, a vital mineral that plays a key role in maintaining and supporting the nervous system. White beans contain vitamins, minerals, etc. Magnesium is essential for many biochemical processes in the body, including those that regulate nerve signals. It helps maintain the proper electrical potential across nerve cell membranes, ensuring that nerve impulses are transmitted smoothly and efficiently. By supporting the proper functioning of nerve cells, Magnesium helps prevent nerve excitability and irregular firing, which can lead to symptoms such as muscle spasms, cramps, and neurological pain. Magnesium also plays a pivotal role in nerve tissue regeneration. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition highlighted the importance of magnesium in nerve function and its potential therapeutic role in managing neurological conditions. When nerves are damaged due to injury or conditions like neuropathy, magnesium supports the repair processes by promoting the synthesis of proteins and nucleic acids necessary for nerve regeneration. Adequate magnesium levels ensure that the body can efficiently repair and rebuild nerve tissues, helping to restore normal nerve function and reduce symptoms of nerve damage. White beans are also rich in other important nutrients such as fiber, protein, and B vitamins. Fiber supports digestive health, while protein is essential for tissue repair and growth. B vitamins, particularly bone, thiamines and B6, pyridoxine, play significant roles in nerve function. Thiamine is involved in the production of neurotransmitters, while pyridoxine is essential for the synthesis of myelin, the protective sheath around nerve fibers. 8. Garlic. This pungent bulb is more than just a flavorful addition to your meals. It's packed with powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can help protect and repair nerve cells. Garlic has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its numerous health benefits, and modern research continues to uncover its potential in supporting nerve health. One of the key components of garlic is allicin, a sulfur compound that is released when garlic is chopped, crushed, or chewed. Allicin has been shown to enhance blood circulation, which is crucial for delivering essential nutrients and oxygen to damaged nerves. Improved blood flow ensures that nerve cells receive the nourishment they need to repair and regenerate, promoting overall nerve health. Garlic also contains other sulfur compounds, like diallyl disulfide and cysteine, which have strong antioxidant properties. These compounds help neutralize free radicals, the harmful molecules that can cause oxidative stress and damage to nerve cells. By reducing oxidative stress, garlic helps protect nerve cells from further damage and supports their recovery. One study published in the Journal of Neurochemistry found that the sulfur compounds in garlic could protect nerve cells from damage and support their function. The study suggested that these compounds might be beneficial in treating neurodegenerative diseases and nerve injuries, highlighting the potential of garlic in nerve repair. Garlic also has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation around nerve tissues. Chronic inflammation is a common factor in many types of nerve damage, including conditions like neuropathy and sciatica. By reducing inflammation, garlic can help alleviate pain and improve nerve function. And that wraps up our journey through 8 extraordinary white foods that can help heal nerve damage and elevate your overall well-being. By incorporating these nutrient-packed superstars, like garlic, cauliflower, white beans, and yogurt, into your meals, you're taking a proactive step toward repairing your nerves and protecting your energy. But don't let the benefits stop here. Knowledge is power, and sharing is power, with sharing knowledge from people willing to improve their health naturally. Hungry for more life-changing tips and remedies? Subscribe to Healthy Care now, and hit the bell icon so you'll always be the first to know when we release new videos. Let's keep the conversation going. Drop a comment below about your favorite white food or how you plan to include these into your diet. We'd love to hear your stories and ideas. Thank you for watching, and remember, every small step you take today is a giant leap toward a healthier, happier you.